Welcome to the Whites. I'm Tyler, and that's Mt Chocorua. It's crazy right now. Look out there. Almost at the best part, in my opinion, of this hike. Cloudy day, but I think we have some views. I gotta be honest, that just looks fake. It's so beautiful. By the way, I do not recommend walking off the trail. That is dumb. I didn't know I did that. Today we're climbing Mt Chocorua. That's the summit right there. Very rocky. It's a cold November day. Not too cold though, but it's, chilly. And you can see through the trees because they're kind of bare. And yeah, that's Chocorua right there. Okay, so at Chocorua you need to pay for your parking. Now normally it's $5, but I was pretty dumb today and I forgot $5, so I have a $20 bill, so I'm going to be paying that instead. Here's the sign. I won't read it, it's too long, but if you want to read it, go ahead. Pause the video. So I just looked at the forecast, and right now it's 32 degrees. It doesn't feel that way. It feels pretty warm, actually. I'm wearing gloves, but it's honestly not that bad. It doesn't feel like it's freezing, so I'm not sure if it's actually the 32 degrees, but that's what it says. So right here I'm at the trailhead, Piper Trail, and it says 4.5 Chocorua Summit. So let's go. Alright, we're on the first climb, about 0.6 miles in. There's some wooden, rectangles, whatever you call those, whatever you call these, I guess. Wooden planks. I'm not sure, but they're there to help you on the climb. And yeah, it's not bad. So we're on our way. This spot is so cool. It's down a large, slope. And you get to this really cool bridge that's surrounded by rocks. Yeah, this is awesome right here. There's the trail. This looks like a trail, but it is not. I mean, maybe it's an old trail or something, because it's definitely cleared out. I have trudged through trees. Oh, that's a bit prickly. Well, when you leave the trail, you find cool things like this. That's pretty awesome. Maybe this leads up to the trail. By the way, I do not recommend walking off the trail. That is dumb. I didn't know I did that, so, but yeah, it's kind of cool actually. Yes, that was 15 minutes, oh god, of just trudging through the woods. So we are almost at the exposed section. Right up there, I'm assuming, or up around here. It's a cloudy day, but I think we have some views. Oh, this is awesome. You can hear the wind a little bit. Oh, wow. Yeah, let me turn the camera in a second. Look at that. look up there, that's where we're going, Mt Chocorua. When I was here last time, you could see all the lakes behind me now, but you could see none of the mountains on the other side of Chocorua. And just hit 3 miles. That one was a bit slow because I was bushwhacking the entire time. When you get here, it's epic, to say the least. I gotta be honest, like, that just looks fake. It's so beautiful. Mt Chocorua, 0.6 miles. We come 3.8. Okay, so I can feel the wind, and I am in the forest, which is a sure sign that on the actual exposed summit, it will be extremely windy. So that should be interesting. Let's hope for some good views. We're almost to the north side of the mountain. So while I'm still in the trees, I put my my jacket and some pants because I'm in the trees and the wind is whipping. I can't imagine what's gonna be like up on the ledge, but I think it should be interesting at least. So let's go. Okay, I just left the trees and already I can see Mount Washington. That is awesome. And then look out there. That's Mount Carrigan. Holy cow, this is an awesome view, and I'm not even at the top yet. It's crazy right now. Look out there. I'm going to put the camera away till I get to the top because it's pretty windy. So, wow, this is hands down the best view I've had in Chocorua ever. This is awesome. Here we go. Summit of Mount Chocorua. And man, the views today. Alright, well, I'm finally off the summit. It's very windy and very cold, so gotta get down and get in the woods, and then I'll talk to you again. I found shelter, big rocks right here, and I can finally admire the view without feeling like I'm gonna be blown off the mountain. Mount Washington is so huge. Okay, leaving the ridge now. It's been fun, but Washington, gotta go. It's crazy, I was just there, and now on my way down. Alright, well here we are. This is the last little ledge of the trail before it goes back into the woods. So this is probably the last I'll be videoing until the end because it's kind of just, you know, normal trail the entire way back. There is Chocorua. I'll see you back at the car. Well, that is Chocorua completed. We're back at the parking lot. I ran basically the last 3 miles of the trail. Yeah, that was a great hike. Definitely the best Chocorua views I've had ever. The trail was very covered in leaves, but that was really, really fun. I saw like nobody up there. It was awesome. I saw like 5 guys on the way back down. 5 guys. But otherwise, nobody else. Yeah, you can see the parking lot. It's just my car, and then must be their truck right there. The mountain was awesome today, and yeah, it was super fun. So I'm a bit hungry. I'm gonna go find somewhere to eat, and yeah,